United Airlines faced a sharp decline in its market value following the FAA's announcement to increase oversight after a series of safety incidents, highlighting the precarious nature of aviation safety and operational integrity. The series of mishaps, including engine fires, landing gear failures, and runway incursions, prompted a comprehensive review of United's safety protocols and operational practices. This increased regulatory scrutiny underscores the critical importance of safety in airline operations and the need for continuous improvement and vigilance. United's history of navigating crises, from its Chapter 11 bankruptcy post-9/11 to its efforts in overcoming industry challenges, illustrates the airline's resilience and capacity to adapt to stringent safety standards. However, the current situation with the FAA signals a pivotal moment for United to reassess its operational and safety strategies, ensuring the highest safety standards are not only met, but exceeded. As United navigates this regulatory oversight, the airline's response and actions will be closely watched by stakeholders and the public, reinforcing the paramount importance of safety in the aviation industry.